This video lecture we are going to start access and security aspects of operating system. Now first, what is security? Security is the protection of information assessed through the use of technology, processes and trading. Now what are the different elements of security? The first is confidentiality. Now confidentiality means information is not accessed in an unauthorized manner. It can access information only right person. Next element of security is integrity. Integrity means information is not amended or deleted in an unauthorized manner. And third element is availability. Availability means information is available to authorized users at right time. The next topic is security threats. A computer threat is a possibility of danger that might harm the vulnerability of a computer system and breach the security to cause damage. It can have an intentional cause like hacking or an accidental cause of natural disaster of computer malfunction. A threat is something that may or may not happen, but it has the potential to cause serious damage. Threats can lead to attacks on computer system, networks and more. Now what are the different types of security threats? The first is tapping, means the unauthorized use of service. Next is disclosure, unauthorized disclosure of information. Amendment, unauthorized alternation or deletion of information. Next is fabrication, unauthorized fabrication on information. Denial, denial of service to authorized users. Now, the security system can be attacked in number of ways. The first is authentication, means a verification of access to system resources. Next is a browsing, to get information after which unprotected files, databases could be easily accessed. Next is trapdoors. Trapdoor means software engineers leave secret entry point to modify their programs. They can be misused by others. Next is invalid parameters. Passing invalid parameters may cause serious security violations. Line trapping. Terminal is used to tap into a communication line. It causes access to confidential data. Electric data capture means pick up the screen radiation and to recognize what is displayed on the screen. Next is lost line. A line may get lost in such a cause of operating system can log out a user and allow an access only after re-establishing the identity of user. Next is improper access control. Operating system and administrator may not plan access controls properly. It causes disclosure or denial of service. Next is waste recovery. Deleted files can be recovered, passwords may be reallocated, and rough software programs like worms, viruses attacks on the system. Next topic is computer worms. Computer worm is a complete a program by itself. It spreads to other computers over a network such as transmission capacity, disk storage and DNS services to others. The worm gets a mailing list and using this it sends a copy of itself to all those addresses. The worm is harmful to organizations operating over a network. The worm can be protected by strong security and various checkpoints in communication system. Now next is computer viruses. The term computer virus was first formally defined by Fred Cohen in 1983. A computer virus is a malware or a miscellaneous automated code which replicates itself from one computer to another and infects the operation of the machine. It is a small program which spreads by attaching itself to executable files or documents present on the computer system. Now, what are the different types of viruses? Now, there are the several types of viruses. Now, first one is a boot sector infectors. A virus can get into system memory if the machine is booted when an infected floppy or hard disk. Memory resident infectors. It load upon execution of an infected file. Next is file specific infectors. Infection occurs when an infected file is executed. Next is command processor infectors. Infector occur when an infected file is executed. And next is general purpose infectors. Infectors can infect exe files. Next is infection methods. A virus can infect other program for the following methods. Number one is append. Viral code appends itself to unaffected programs. Replace. Viral code replaces the original executable program completely or partially. Insert. Viral code is inserted in body of an executable code to carry out funny actions. Delete. Viral code deletes code from executable code. Redirect. Normal control law of program is changed to execute others. Next is mode of operations. Virus is developed under MS-DOS. They are spread with games, unauthorized softwares, and they are distributed to people free of charge. Now, first is a virus dictation. Now, virus dictation program checks for integrity of binary files. The program maintains a checksum of each file. A misuse in it indicate virus. Next is virus removal. The virus removal program scan disks for pattern of known viruses. On dictation, it removes them. The data recovery is impossible. Next is virus prevention. System can be prevented to busy official. Legal copies of software from reliable sources. Free and unreliable softwares should not be used. Frequent backup and running of monitoring programs also help preventions.